welcome back to my channel. My name's Aixa, and today we are opening up another Morphe mystery box. So this one is the Best Swept Secrets. It's a 20-piece face and eye brush collection. So I'm kind of excited. It was $45 for this box, and it says it is over $144 value. So it's just gonna be a bunch of brushes, face and eye brushes. So I already own like a bunch of brushes, but I'd rather buy new brushes instead of washing my brushes. So here we are with a $45 box of brushes. So why don't we open it up? I got my trusty scissors. I feel like it's been so long since I've done an unboxing, but it hasn't been that long since I've done an unboxing, so I don't know. So I cut it open and it was so easy, guys. Am I getting better at this? So let's just shake her up, open her up, shake her up, open her up. I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. It's just a bunch of brushes. Okay, so let's open it up. Woo woo! Wow, that's a lot. Wow. Like, hold on. I can't even fit them all in my hands. That's a lot of brushes. Look at this. We have, wait. We have a Y6 brush from Morphe. Stop, because they stopped making this. They stopped making this collection. Stop, because I've always wanted the Y6 brush from Morphe, but it was always like sold out. That's why, and they stopped making it. So then they made the M6. So I bought the M6, which is the same. It's just a different handle. And stop! The Y6 brush from Morphe! I am so excited. You guys don't understand. Like, you're like, why are you geeking out over a brush? Oh my gosh, I've been wanting this brush for so long. You don't understand. And I finally got it. So excited. And then also, this is from the Gilded collection, and they don't make the Gilded collection anymore. They discontinued it. So excited about that. So let's go to the next one. And then we have this big old M495 brush, which is basically like a big old fan brush, but I'm gonna use this more towards contouring than like highlight, because that would be a weird big old highlight. My whole face is highlighted at that point. So then we have the M513 round blender brush, which I probably have already. I should really gather all my Morphe brushes, not today obviously, and like figure out what I have, so that way I can be more accurate when I be like, oh, I have this one already. Oh, you know, I don't know. That's not like it matters, because I don't know. But Morphe brushes are really, really good. So then we have the M17-8 oval lip brush. Why do you gotta have a -8? I don't really use lip brushes. I use these lip brushes because I see them as like basically, yeah, it has a -8 on it. Look at that. Can you see that? I see them mostly as like synthetic brushes, and I just use it to like cut the crease and like pack on shimmer. I don't really use lip brush. I just see them as basically synthetic brushes to me. Okay, the next one is the M421 mini concealer brush. First of all, I have this one, and this, who is concealing what with what? A baby doll? Look at the size of this to my brush. I will be what's the word? Blending for hours. So I just use it to cut the crease and pack on powder. Like, you know, like these things that they say that they're for, I never use it for that. I might use like 1 or 2 of them for that, but like never really, no. So then we have the Y11, another Gilded collection brush. And this one I would use more towards like powder. So excited. And then we have the M518 crease fluff brush. So this one is a bit smaller than the normal like fluffy brush that I would initially use. So I would use this one more towards like, so I would use the big fluffy ones to like be the primary crease brush, and then I would use, like when I use a secondary crease color, I use the smaller ones because then I can get really in there and I can still show the other ones at the top. So good to have one of those. Then we have a R39 taper blending brush. I actually have this brush. How am I getting this brush out? Guys, they sealed it in. Like, there's no, they usually have like the little flappy things. Like, there's no flappy thing here. And like, this is like zip, I don't know if you can tell. Like, it's like sealed in there. Scissors. That was, okay. Scissors aren't having it either. All right, there we go. So I actually have this brush, and this one I actually use for like the crease, and then not even if not the crease, I use it for like the outer corner V to blend in the crease. So those are good options if you want to know what to use it for. And then we have the M433 Pro Firm Blending Fluff Brush. So you guys are probably here like, is she just gonna read out brushes to us all this whole time? I understand not want everyone is as excited about brushes as I am, but I get really excited. I love brushes. Like, I love brushes. Like, usually when I'm picking out brushes to do my makeup, I usually pick them out of this. But let me tell you, this is just one fraction of what I actually own. I don't know if you guys can see back here. Okay, point right, point, nope, this way, right here. That's all brushes back there. Other than my mirrors, these are all brushes back there. So I even have like, I separate my dirty brushes from my clean brushes. So I have like the little makeup bags, and I put all my dirty brushes in there so that I know what I have to clean as opposed to what's dirty. I mean, as opposed to what's already clean, if that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Something like that. It makes sense in my head. So this one was the M433 Fluffy Brush, and this one I would say is, again, outer corner V, maybe the crease, because it feels a little bit more dense, so I don't know if it'll blend right on the crease, but definitely the outer corner V. So then we have the E24 brush, which is basically like a pencil brush. And I usually use pencil brushes for either sometimes the bottom of my, like the lower lash line, or the inner corner of my eye. It's really good for putting shimmers or like highlights in the inner corner of the eye because it's so dense. With the lower lash line, it's good to when you want to pack on the color, but it's not good when you're trying to blend out the color. Okay, so here we have another brush that is stuck inside of the side of the packaging. This is the R36 pointed highlight brush. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I actually have one of these already. I absolutely love it. Like, this is such a good, like, it's small enough to get into the face and not go everywhere, and it picks up the right amount. Love it. And then we have the M562 Tiny Crease Blender Brush. This one I will use mostly when you're, like, these are very rare specific looks that you're trying to do. If you want to make sure that it's in your crease and not falling onto the lid or anything because you have a very specific look in mind, these are the ones that you want to go to. Like, you know, these are very specific. Like, I wouldn't just grab these to be like, oh yeah, let's blend out the crease, let's do, like, these are very specific looks. Like, you can always just grab it and, you know, go with it, but this would take longer to do a normal, you know, crease look, whatever, than if you're looking for a specific look. Because if you're looking for a specific look, like if you want to cut crease, then it's easier to get into the crease and keep the lid clean, as opposed to using this just for a regular day look, and then you're there blending and blending and blending and blending for hours because it's small. So then we have the M503 Pro Firming Blending Fluff Brush. Look at this. So I usually, like, you know, crease, outer corner. I mean, a lot of these brushes, most of the brushes I use are for the crease and outer corner. or I use a synthetic. I mean, I don't really know. It just comes in different sizes, and I feel like that's very important when you're doing specific looks. So now we have the R35. Can you escape? Yes, you can escape. The R35, which is, it doesn't really say what it's for, but I say it's mostly for like your crease and blending that out, you know. And then we have another gilded. This is the Y5 brush. So I would use this more towards blush. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice in size for like the cheeks. My face itches a little bit. Okay, for like the apples of the cheeks. It's not very angled enough for me to do contour. I mean, you can, but I wouldn't really reach for it as a contour. But everyone has a different face size and different purposes for brushes. But I would usually mostly use this for like blush. And then no, okay. And now we have the M507 Pointed Mini Blender Brush. Look at this. So this one is a little bit more fluffier than the other pointed pencil brush. This will be more towards like the lower lash line as opposed to the inner corner of the eye. I would still use it as inner corner of the eye, but like as opposed to like if you have the options between these two, which one is going to be where, this one is better for the inner corner of the eye and this one's better for like the lower lash line. So now we have the M461 Duo Jumbo Crease Brush. So usually I don't use like jumbo items when it comes to my eyes. Like look how big this is. I would use this more towards like patting out concealer under the eyes and the face as opposed to like actually putting this in my eyeballs. Like look how huge this brush is. I don't know. That's me personally. But like I said, everyone's different. Everyone uses it for different purposes. Not exactly what they say it's for. And then we have... oh, the M496 Mini Fan Brush. Look at this, guys. How stinking cute is this? So I always wanted one of these little brushes because I heard that these were good for like the lower lash, like the mascaras in the lower lash. So I'm gonna try it and see if it works because I don't know where I would like, you know, if I'm trying to highlight with this, I'll be here all day. I'm just saying. But like lower lash, yes. And then we only have 2 brushes left. So let's open this one up. This is the E7 Angled Buffer Brush. So this one is very dense to be more of a bronzer, but this is more of a what am I doing? This is more, what am I doing? This is more of a contour. So like cream contour, I will like buff it out with this as opposed to like bronzer. I don't use much of cream contours though, so I have them, don't really use them unless I'm looking for a very sharp dramatic look. But this is very useful when I do decide to do one of those looks. And then for the last brush we have the M530 Contour Blender Brush, and it used, yes, this one is stuck in here as well. That's nice. Cut him out, cut him out. Booty, 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 rocking everywhere. No? Okay. So this is a contour brush. Ooh, my ankle. So again, not angled enough for me. I really like kind of an angled brush when I do my bronzer and contour and stuff. So this I would use more towards like blush because this is like the perfect size for me for my apples of my cheeks. So I like it as a blush, not as a bronzer contour thing. So let me just double check because I always count. I gotta make sure I got my 20 items. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I got my 20 brushes. I don't know the overall value of the box right now, but I would definitely leave it down for you somewhere down here. It might be a little bit harder to identify how much these were because like I said before, these are no longer made. So I would have to do more digging to find out how much they were sold at, like what their retail price was before, other than eBay and Amazon, because they probably have this on eBay and Amazon for like probably like hundreds of dollars right now. So I would have to do more digging for these. I'm pretty sure that the other ones are a lot easier to find online. But I'm pretty actually excited because if it makes it not makes it seem like it's, you feel like the box was definitely worth it as opposed to just buying brushes on the side. Because not only are you getting like 20 brushes for $45, which is amazing, like amazing, but you're also getting some that are no longer made or sold. Okay, that almost went in my coffee cup and I would have cried. I would have cried. That are no longer made or sold. So it's like, oh wow, not only am I getting like $144 worth of brushes, but some of them are no longer made, so you feel like not special, but like, what's the word I'm looking for? It's more, I don't know the word I'm looking for anymore. I don't know the word I'm looking for. I'm sorry guys, I don't know the word. But you value the box more for that reason. So because I do know like some of these brushes vary for like $12 by itself. I believe this was like $12 to $18 by itself, and I'm paying $45 for a box of like a crap ton of brushes. So I'm actually very pleased. Like I said, I love brushes though. I love Morphe brushes. Morphe brushes are amazing. So I'm not upset by this box. I don't know how someone can be upset by this box, because the fact is, like, if you bought this box, you knew you were gonna get a box of brushes. I mean, I don't know. And if you, I don't know what to think anymore, because some people, they surprise me daily. But if you feel like I wasted $45 on a box of brushes, let me know down below. I don't think I did, but I'm really excited for these brushes. I really am. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you like Morphe brushes, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like Morphe brushes, give it a thumbs up. Then we can define who likes them and who doesn't, you know? Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Tell me what you would like to see next. Let me know if there are any boxes out there that I've missed and you want me to unbox. I'm sorry guys, there's these Lurella, I don't know if you know the brand. I used it a couple of times in my videos. I don't know if you've seen them. I use their brushes and all. They have mystery boxes that I've been trying to get my hands on for a while. Every time they restock and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get it, and I never get a chance to buy them. They're always out of stock, and it's driving me crazy because there's 3 different tiers of boxes. There's the box number 1, 2, and 3, and I can never get my hands on any of them, and it's driving me wild. So I'm trying really hard to get those boxes. I'm trying really hard so that I can show you guys, but I'm being unsuccessful right now, and I'm trying. But if there's any other boxes out there that you guys want me to open and you want to see, let me know down below. I will get them. I will show them to you. I love mystery boxes. If there's any looks that you want me to do, let me know down below. Anything. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button down below. Did I just say bell button? I thought we were past that. I haven't said bell button in like a long time. The bell button down below, and so you can be notified every time I upload. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys next video. Bye.